Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial wellness with Credit Karma detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your financial wellness using Credit Karma, start by creating an account on their website or app. Visit creditkarma.com or download the Credit Karma app from your device's app store. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, email address, and date of birth. Create a secure password for your account. After completing the registration, verify your email address by clicking on the link Credit Karma sends you. Once you log in, navigate to the dashboard to see your credit scores and reports. Review your credit scores to understand your current financial standing. Click on the credit score section for a detailed breakdown of your credit information. Take note of key factors impacting your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Utilize the tools available to identify negative impacts on your credit report. If you find errors, follow the steps provided to dispute them directly through Credit Karma. Set achievable financial goals based on your credit score and overall financial situation. Utilize the personalized recommendations provided by Credit Karma to help improve your credit score. Monitor your progress frequently by returning to your dashboard. Use Credit Karma's financial calculators to explore options for loans, mortgages, or credit cards that align with your new goals. Take advantage of Credit Karma's tax filing services when tax season arrives to maximize your potential refunds. Engage with the credit monitoring feature to receive alerts about significant changes to your credit report. Regularly check for new credit card offers based on your improved credit standing. As you implement these steps, keep an ongoing record of your financial progress. Revisit your goals periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your financial wellness objectives. Embrace the journey to reset your financial wellness with knowledge and proactive management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.